Hi friends, Miss Curiosities here. Today we're going to do a reading lesson that's kind of some review from a long time ago. So what we're going to do is if I was reading at home alone on Epic, or if I was reading in my bedroom alone from bookshelf, or even if I was reading to my parents and they weren't helping me solve a tricky word, but I came across a tricky word, how could I solve that tricky word? There's something we learned a while ago called a triple check. Do you remember what those three parts of a triple check are? Maybe pause and think to yourself about that. What is in a triple check? Hmm. Well, I'll remind you. A triple check is, does it look right? Does it sound right? And does it make sense? Those are the three things we always have to do if we come across a tricky word and we just aren't sure if it's right. So I'm going to share my screen with you here so you guys can see some extra little posters here that have helped me remember. So readers know what they read needs to look right. Oh, look, the bear's wearing some glasses. So it needs to look right, it needs to sound right, and it needs to make sense. Over here, this one says, ask yourself, does it make sense? He's got his hands on his hips like, I don't know about that. Does it sound right? That's when we use our ears. And does it look right? And does it look right? That means, do all of those letters, does it look like they would spell that word that you are thinking of? So now that you guys know what those three things are, I'm going to start to read a book to you. And if you think that I do any of those bad habits that Mrs. Wool taught us about last week, I need you to say, freeze, Miss Curiosities. And so I can stop and fix my bad habit and do a triple check. So some of those bad habits was the freeze or the mumble, some of those. So keep an eye and an ear out for those, okay? This book that I'm going to be reading to you guys is called The Sad, Sad Monster. Maybe some of you guys have read it before. This is a story about a monster, a very good monster. But even though he was good, everyone was angry of him. Wait, angry of him? That doesn't really sound right. It doesn't really make sense either. So I'm gonna see, does it look right? Well, angry starts with an A, but it doesn't have an F in it, so I know that can't be the word. I'm gonna look at all the parts of this word to try to figure it out. F, look at this vowel team here. Oh my goodness. So I know that
Afraid.
that word, oh, it actually just pronounced it for me. I know that that word has that A vowel team, afraid of him. But even though he was good, everyone was afraid of him. Does that look right? Totally. Does it sound right? Yeah, and it totally makes sense too. Let's keep reading. At school, nobody would play with him. He would swim alone. Hmm, it kind of makes sense, like that sentence works, but the picture makes me think it doesn't look right. He's not swimming right now. Oh, wait. Swim. This would have to be an M right here, not an N and a G. So this is totally swing, and it matches the picture. Awesome. So triple check. Let's see. Does it look right now that we've got the swing here and these letters match it up? Yeah. Does it sound right? He would swing alone. Yep. And it makes sense because we see the word and we see him here swinging. Moving on. He would skip alone and play games alone. So Monster was very sad. One day, Monster was eating lunch. Everyone sat somewhere else except for Sarah. Sarah wasn't afraid. She didn't mind Monster's shy teeth. Is this space free? Yes. Oh, wait. I think I heard some of you guys say, wait, Miss Curiosities. This word right here, Monster shy teeth. I don't think teeth can be shy. Do you think so? That doesn't really sound right or make sense. So let's see. Does it look right? Shh. I know that these first two letters are the same as in shy, so that's why I thought it was shy. But it looks like there's extra letters right here. Sh, R. Let's put that together. Sh, R. Sharp. Oh, Sarah wasn't afraid. She didn't mind Monster's sharp teeth. Look at his teeth there. They are pretty sharp. Now that looks right, sounds right, and makes sense. Wow, this is pretty nice that the Sarah is going to come and sit and have lunch with him. She very much wanted to swing with Monster and skip and play games. Sarah wanted to be Monster's friend. After that, Monster wasn't sad or alone anymore. The end. Awesome. You guys, you really helped me out doing a triple check when I came across any sort of challenging or tricky words that I couldn't really say on the first try. So it's so important to go back and we can chunk the words apart, just kind of like how I just did with the word sharp. It can be really helpful to do that triple check and sound out and use every single letter in the word to make sure we've got the right word, and we do a triple check to make sure it looks right, it sounds right, and it makes sense. Awesome job, everybody. Now, I want you to go and read either on Bookshelf or a book at home, just like how you read every day at home for 20 minutes. And if you come across a tricky word, what are you going to do? I hope you're thinking that you're going to do a triple check, because that's what I was thinking too. Have a great day, everybody.